15 free crochet quick blankets for homeless. This free pattern teaches you to make a pretty blanket with a special berry stitch. This free crochet pattern lets you make a baby blanket in just 4.5 hours. This free pattern lets you make a chunky chevron blanket quickly. This free pattern is for a Crochet Grandma Cuddles baby blanket. It is fun and easy to make. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a thick, chunky blanket fast. This free crochet pattern guides you to make a soft baby blanket inspired by melted snow and fresh green grass. This free pattern teaches you to make a stylish crochet blanket. This project is a free crochet pattern for a blanket that looks like it was knit. This crochet pattern helps you make a baby blanket that has a special diagonal basket weave look. This free pattern shows you how to make a chunky crochet blanket that is super easy for beginners. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a thick blanket quickly. This crochet pattern shows you how to make a chunky blanket that is easy for beginners to make. This free pattern shows you how to make a crochet blanket. It mixes 6 stitches with pretty lace patterns. This free crochet pattern guides you to make a soft loops and ridges baby blanket. Make a beautiful red diamond blanket with this crochet pattern. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.